This is an Omega Speedmaster Michael Schumacher 2001 edition from Crown and Caliber. I was going to do an unboxing and then I accidentally put it on slow-mo, and that's fine because there was a bunch of product identifiers and my information was on there anyways, so just redoing it. I'm showing how their packaging process is and the shipping process. They put quite a bit of this shipping material in the box. And this one actually came with the Omega box. Comes with their instructions manual. Comes with every Omega. Also, their card didn't come with any cards. That's fine. Box manual, no papers. They actually didn't ship it in this box. It's nice that it came with the box, though. So they actually ship their product in this box. Wow. And the invoice will be in here too. And how they present them. Comes with cloth, inspection fee policy, and here's their manual. Pamphlet. Now this watch was graded as in excellent condition, and it is in very good condition. It comes in this, it appears to be leather or leatherette case. I like how they do their business. The watch wasn't keeping the full power reserve, so they kept it an extra 4 days, let it unwind to make sure that it was. I guess they actually do service the movements prior to sending them out. And wrapped in this plastic. Lines nicely. Tachometer. Now this red sticker, if I take it off, I pretty much have to keep it. Otherwise, a restocking fee of 5%. But I think I will keep it. They're pretty easy when you do business with them. You call them, you get somebody on the phone right away. You don't have to sit and wait. Their service is very good. Now, I know this isn't the most desirable Speedy, but to be perfectly honest, it was in my price range, and I like the way it looked. The Michael Schumacher ones that don't have cult following that the other Speedmasters do. And this is a reduced as well, so it's 39 millimeters. Whoever owned this watch had bigger wrists than I do. Actually wasn't expecting it to be in this good condition. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this at work. Get it all banged up, even the bracelet is not scratched at all. Usually from the desks at work, your bracelet is all scratched up right here and right here. This one's in very good condition though. This has been well cared for. At least lightly worn. That's it.